Researchers say previous work on the closely related MERS and SARS could benefit the vaccine development strategy to fight the Wuhan coronavirus outbreak. University of Michigan's Aubrey Gordon and Icahn School of Medicine's Florian Kramer says that nucleic acid vaccine technology, which utilizes viral DNA or RNA material, might lead to a viable vaccine. Writing in an op-ed published in Life Science, the authors explain that making a vaccine involves creating a construct, such as an antigen, that the body's immune system could use to target and attack the virus. A vaccine has to be tested in animal and human trials before it is judged safe and effective. According to the authors, scientists do not have isolated virus samples or enough antibodies for testing the vaccine, and they have not established the animal species suitable for animal trials. The vaccine development process will likely take months to complete. The authors state that better global surveillance of viruses would be important to mitigate future epidemics, as coronavirus, Zika, Ebola, and influenza outbreaks have shown. They say novel vaccine technologies that could be quickly adapted to different strains are needed as part of a proactive approach to combating pathogens.
Outside central Singapore is an animal research lab where scientists have isolated the purest form of the coronavirus that causes COVID-19 and keep it locked under the strictest of security.
So now we're going into the main lab, and inside this lab here is where we keep the live virus.
The live viruses?
The live virus,
so
yes.
The most dangerous things that you have at this facility?
Exactly. This is the virus that was isolated from the sick patients, and now it's housed in this lab here.
Australian Dr. Danielle Anderson is one of the world's top virologists with 20 years work in the field and at America's most prestigious universities.
What surprised you about this virus?
The spread of this is really, really surprising. We've seen outbreaks in the past. We think we know what we're doing. And so for me, it's a really, really big surprise.
Why is it spreading so quickly?
So it seems that it's extremely contagious, and it's not airborne, but it is contagious.
Dr. Anderson took me to another part of the facility to show me where the virus came from. Bats gathered in China for food. A vet here captured one, and in a containment cage, she showed it to me.
And why bats? How confident are you that the coronavirus came from bats?
So I'm probably 90% confident that the new coronavirus came from bats.
The initial contamination, she says, likely happened here at a filthy animal market in Wuhan, China. Someone there, she believes, butchered a bat, came into contact with its blood or urine, and then touched his or her mouth or nose. We know the rest. Outbreaks still spreading around the world. In South Korea, they're disinfecting public transport. In China, authorities promise to crack down hard on the wildlife trade, and they're preparing to take containment to a new level. This video shows security forces training to capture a suspected infected person, a sign of what could be coming.
Do you think it's going to keep spreading?
I think that it is heading towards becoming a pandemic, yes. We have to work hard for a vaccine and learn to live with the virus, and I think it's just going to become part of our life.